Okay, 9. Draw your two parentheses. What can you fill in?
1, 5.
1, 5.
V.
V, V.
And then 5.
1 and 8, 2 and 4. What do you want to try?
4.
No, 4, 5.
Huh?
4 and 2.
2.
4 and 2.
4, 2.
Yeah.
Okay, what are you going to get for the inner? 20. The outer?
2.
2. So would a 20 and a 2 give you an 18?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so go ahead and, so you got 5v squared for the first. The outer, it's going to be 2v. The inner, 20v. And then the last is 8. How could I get a plus 18?
Plus, minus. No, minus, minus, plus, minus,
Minus, plus. So how do we fill in above?
minus, plus.
Plus, minus.
You switch them every time?
If it's a plus and a minus. If it's a plus plus, it doesn't really matter if we switch it, right?
Oh, so it's just if it's opposite. Okay.
Yeah, so if it's a minus and a plus down here, or a plus and then a minus, you're going to
Maybe
switch it up
just
here.
switch them.
Okay, and we can stop. There's no equals 0. Okay, look at 11. Draw your parentheses. We can fill in 1 and 5, N and N. And then our last one is 2. So it's going to be a 1 and a 2. What order do you want to do? 1 then 2 or 2 then 1?
2 then 1.
1 then 2.
1 then 2.
1 then 2. I already know. That did it.
Okay, if we put a 2 here, what are you going to get for the inner?
10.
10. Is that close to 3?
Oh.
No.
No. So 1 and 2. So the first, the outer, the inner, and then the last. Okay, so how could I get a plus 3 from that?
Minus 2 plus 5.
Minus 2 plus 5. And so it's going to be a plus and a minus. Do we stop or keep going?
Stop.
Why?
Because equals 0.
There's no equal 0, okay? Equal 0 means solve it all the way. Can I scroll? Okay, look at 13. Draw your parentheses. We got 1 and 2, x and x. You want to do 1 then 3 or 3 then 1?
3 then 1.
1 and 3.
3 then 1.
1 and 3.
It's got to be 3 then 1. 1, then 3 would give you 2. Oh, I think they both work. 1 and 2. That'd be 2, and then that gives you 5. Either one works. Okay, so multiply the first, the outer, the inner, you're gonna get 6, and then the last is 3. So 6 and a 1, how can I get a 5?
Negative. What?
A negative plus, yep. And then above, plus minus. Do we stop or keep going?
Keep going.
We gotta keep going. Okay, there's an equal 0. So we're gonna say 1x plus 3 equals 0. 2x minus 1 equals 0.
Minus 3 from both sides.
Minus 3 from both sides. So I got 1x equals negative 3.
Divide.
Divide by
1.
1. X equals negative 3. Okay, what about for the other one? Add 1 on each side.
Tray.
I did, instead of 3 and 1, I did 1 and 3 and 1.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, I had 1 and 3.
That's okay. It still works. You would still get a 5. But your stuff is not going to be the same as my stuff because I imagine this looks different on yours.
Yeah.
which is fine, you solve it your way. Because when you get the equals, you should get the same numbers as I. I would think. I honestly don't know, but you should get a 1/2 and a -3. So don't copy off me because yours doesn't look like mine.
Wait, what's a one? What's that?
Let's get it.
There.
So we did the first, the outer, the inner, and the left. Plus plus. So -1, 5/1. You got
Oh,
one.
that, that's, oh, that one.
That would be -1. That should be the same. Maybe not. Oh, it's not all right now. Let me finish. I got one more. Sorry, but my camera's rolling. Okay, look at 15. So you got 1 and 5, P and P, and we got 1 times 8 and a 2 and a 4. What do you want to use? 4 then 2? Huh?
No.
2 then 4? So you get 10 and a 4, that would give you 6. So 5P squared, the outer would be 4P, the inner 10P, and then the last is going to be 8. A 4 and a 10, how could I get a -6?
Minus plus.
Yeah, minus plus.
Yeah.
Minus plus.
Plus, minus.
Plus minus.
But up there, it would go minus plus.
Oh, yeah, up here it goes minus plus.
Swap was right.
No. And we can stop. Okay, the rest are for you guys.